factor 20x plus 16 minus 6x squared. Now my x squared term should come first, so I'm going to write that first. And then put your plus 20x and then 16. This is called descending order here, okay? Now, whenever you have a negative coefficient on the x squared term, it's very hard to factor, okay? Very hard to factor. So what I want to do is I want to get rid of that negative there, okay? And another thing I'm noticing, you have an even number, and even number, so I could divide all three of these by 2. But if I divide by minus 2, okay, watch what happens. Negative 6 divided by negative 2 is 3. So you have a plus 3x squared, and this is what we want to see. This is easier to factor than this is, okay? But all three signs are going to change now. This changed to a plus, this goes to a minus, this goes to a minus, and 20 divided by 2 is going to be 10, 10x, but it's going to be a minus. And 16 divided by 2 is 8, but this is going to be a minus. So now I have to factor this right here inside the parentheses. That's easier to factor than this one here, okay? All right, no fuss, no fuss, no fuss. We're going to write down the what? No fuss means copy down the 3x twice. Mathematicians don't like that because 3 times 3 is 9, not 3. Why are you doing this? Because it's easy. Because it's easy. Don't fuss about it. We'll throw away a 3 later on, okay? Get my template over here. I'm going to multiply what? A, C. A is 3. C is minus 8. Don't worry about that negative 2. We copied it down. We're going to leave it alone out here, okay? But you're going to have 3 times minus 8. And you're going to copy this number down right over here. Okay? So I want my factors of minus 24, and they're going to add up to be minus 10. So there's 1 and 24. Notice the larger one is negative and the smaller one's plus because I want to get a negative sum. Okay? 2 times 12 is 24, 3 times 8 is 24, and 4 times 6 is 24. I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 won't go into 24. So that's every factor of 24. Which do we use here to give us the negative 10? Add these up, you get minus 23. Add 2 minus 12, you're getting minus 10. Here we're getting minus 5. Here we're getting minus 2. To get negative 10, I have to use these two. Okay? Now remember, 3 times 3 is not 3. We're going to throw away a 3. But right now, just copy down the 2 and the minus 12. Now we got to think about, I'm going to copy that negative 2 up here so it doesn't go away. I'm thinking about this right now. What do these two have in common? How about a what? And isn't that what I wanted to have? I want to throw away a 3, don't I? Because 3 times 3 is not 3. I want to throw away 3. And now factoring a 3 out of here is going to allow us to do that. Now 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times a negative 4 is a negative 12. And now we throw that one away. Final answer, negative 2 times this stuff. Okay? X minus 4 and 3x plus 2.